Now look at that. There's a bunch of, you can tell, just oil that looks disgusting. And also a little bit in here too. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an oil cooler on the 2016 WRX. Now this is an FA20. We have oil getting into the coolant, into the reservoir specifically, and it's collecting there, but it's not agitated, so we're going to start with the oil cooler. Look at that. There's a bunch of, you can tell, just oil that looks disgusting. And also a little bit in here too. It's a super easy swap out. You just have to take out the filter, a couple of coolant lines, and then the standpipe in the center below the filter. So we got a Subaru Genuine oil cooler. So that should do us really well for this. Underneath the car, we already drained down some of the coolant, and now we're just going to take this filter loose and start to let that drain down a little bit too. After that, we can start by undoing our coolant lines on the back here and then kind of down underneath below, right through there. These two lines are off to the side. You can just undo the rest of the filter here. Now that this is drained down a little bit, you can see the actual retainer in here. Just grab our 24, pop our ratchet on here and break it loose. Now that whole thing will come right out of there. Set that off to the side. Now we can just remove our oil cooler. Just like that. You want to torque this to 33 foot-pounds. All while making sure that, of course, is lined up on the bottom there. Wipe this off, make sure there's no grime or anything. Then we can put the filter right back on. Make sure your O-ring's lubricated, and then place this baby right on. Clean up any mess you made. That's it for the whole oil cooler install. Super easy, obviously everything's right up top. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse out the cooling system, all the old coolant, get that all cleaned up, run it with some water and then rinse it out again. And then hopefully that takes care of the oil getting into the cooling system. Now, there wasn't any coolant in the oil, so that's good, but it also makes sense that the cooler would have gone bad because oil pressure is obviously a lot higher than your coolant pressure. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this is it for getting oil inside your cooling system on a VA Subaru with the FA20. Hopefully this helps out you WRX guys. If you like the video, want to see something else, let me know. Drop some comments below, like and subscribe. See ya!